हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जॉब्स विद शुभम। सो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। सो दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर जॉब एज एंट्री लेवल, सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब। और अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, बेल आइकन को मिस नहीं करिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हाउस एंड इट्स हायरिंग फॉर एसोसिएट एनालिस्ट एंड लेट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन। सो दिस पोजीशन सपोर्ट आवर डिस्क्रिप्शन इज दैट दिस पोजीशन इज सपोर्ट our after sales customer support team by handling day-to-day requirement of campaign campaign project in order to related our work ensure a high level of quality execution of the customer. So core responsibility is that to answer require various internal team and collaborate with the recording team of the case to write the standard operation of the desktop procedure for various projects. Flexible to work with through the multiple diverse diverse project which require a strong communication skill to convert operating into the high data of driven business measure, analyze and optimize every. So those who have a 0 to 3 year of experience, you can apply bachelor degree or preferred in your business can apply excellent written and communication skills and customer facing skills required for this ability to prioritize and manage the multiple tasks, sensitive deadline, ability to work in the agility of the team environment, ability to handle tasks requiring attention of the detail and including strong general communication, including MS Office suites, info Bangalore location. So how to apply? So you have to just take care of the job, and first of all, you have to just sign in. And if you don't have an account, then you have to just create an account here, and when you just sign in, the registration page will go. So you can go and check about this. And moving to the next job, it's coming from Boeing, and it's hiring. The next job is coming from Boeing and it's hiring for associate software engineer and they are hiring for Chennai location. So you will get the benefit for all these things and description is that at Boeing we innovate our collaborative to make the world a better place from the seabed of outer space. You can contribute to work with the matter with a company where diversity. So the job description is that roles and responsibility is that estimate with the user storage feature, story point, intimation, estimation and task in hour with the required level of accuracy and commit team in the park of sprint planning contribute to the backlog refinement meeting by promote asking the relevant question to ensure and the status of the remaining effort their task to daily basis ensure changes request to the treated correctly track of the system. So those who have a technical bachelor degree or master degree, you can apply. The strong programming skills like Python skills, object-oriented programming language, Java, C++, knowledge of PYQT application framework, PCL sprinting, and all these things you have to know about this. And those who have gotten a bachelor degree or master degree or higher degree, so you can apply. So this position offer relocation. So if you are selected, then they will send you for the any location. So how to apply? So you have to just take care of it. So first of all, you have to just sign in, and if you just sign in, then the registration page will open. So you can go and check about this. Now, all this thing I'll provide in the job description. You can go and check about this. And ये हम लोग जॉब के बारे में बात करें क्या जॉब है क्या रोल्स है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है तो अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल और अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ये देखिए सो थैंक यू थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग